We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Lexmark MX517 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your toner cartridge. So if you've been getting a low toner or replace toner warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lower this front cover. In order to do that, here on the right side of the printer, you're going to find a button. You're going to push in on that button and then lower this front cover until it's in its open position. Once you have that open, you're going to see this big green handle right here in the front. That's the handle for your toner cartridge. So you're going to grab that big green handle and you're going to pull straight out, and you've just successfully removed your toner cartridge. So you can set that off to the side, unpack your new toner cartridge. Once you have the new toner completely unpacked and ready to use, you're going to take it, and if you look on the top here, there's a green arrow on these little side pieces. And when you look inside of the printer here, you'll see two little green arrows on each side of the printer. You're going to set the cartridge on top of those green arrows, just like that, and then push straight in until you feel the cartridge kind of click into position. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and close this front cover. The printer is going to take a second to initialize and prepare that toner cartridge for use. Once the printer comes back to its normal ready stage, you'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help provide you with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to help provide those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.